Hi, welcome back to one of our Bocad videos, and this time I'd like to have a look at the SmartInfo. For a little while now, as soon as you hover over a component, you see this little tooltip popping up with all kind of information about the various components you're hovering over, whether that is like here now a bolt or a member, or it could be a weld. You immediately can see certain pieces of information. The information you can view there can be fully customized. So under Extras menu, we have this SmartInfo function, and I can see that we can set this for members, bolts, and welds. First of all, for members, I say that I want this in a table form with a certain line type, a certain font size. Change the line per color, so I keep switching between a light color and what I chose here being blue. And we can define up to 5 pieces of information that will pop up right away. I've chosen here for the mark number, the phase, the profile with its imperial designation, the length also in imperial, as well as the weight. Now if I were to say, well, I would like to have the mark number and, well, let's say even the profile and the length on the same line, I just switch off this new line option, and then when hovering over this we can see that the profile and the length are on the same line. I go back there again, SmartInfo, remove the length text, and I will see that this time I see the profile and the length, but without that word length in front of it. We can really customize like this all kind of information that will be immediately visible to the user. So if you want to check certain things like designations, if you're marking, for example, depends on it, you could set like this the designation in there. Let's do that here. Just choose this designation. I keep it on the same line. Okay. So here I see, for example, that this component is called beam. This component is called grab rail. This is called post, knee rail, and so on. So you can really customize the information you have visible in front of you.